Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift games on Steam. First, log into your Steam account, then hover over on your username, then here you will find friends option, click on it, and from here find the person that you want to gift the games on Steam. That's mean you must have the person added as a friend in your friend list. If you doesn't add the person as a friend on Steam account, then you can gift games to the person. Now select the game that you want to gift. For example, I'm going to gift this game to one of my friend. Now you just need to click on the game and you just need to add the game to your cart. From here I can add this game to my cart. Click on this button and click on view my cart button. From here you will find the games that you have added to your cart. The first one, I'm going to gift this one to my friend. So here you will find a little drop down option, click on it, and at the last you will find this is a gift. Select it and click on continue to gift option. Now here you just need to select the gift recipient, click on it, and you need to search for the person from your friend list. When you found the person's profile, just simply click on it, and the person will add as gift recipient. You can also add gift message from here, and you can select the delivery type as soon as possible via email and Steam client, and also you can schedule the delivery. And the first one, that's when your friend will get the game through the Steam client or through the email. The confirmation mail will be received by the Gmail of your friends that are registered with this Steam account. Then you just need to click on continue to payment, then select the payment method that you like to payment with, and then complete the credentials, then confirm the payment, and you will get a confirmation mail on your email, and your friend also will get a confirmation mail in his email. And that's how you can gift games on Steam and they can enjoy the game. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.